What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Magre-react kami dito sa Game 3 ng Knicks and Pacers kasi the Knicks were down 20 and Grim, naalala mo in a previous episode, sabi natin na this is the Knicks. This is right where they want them. When they are down 20, that is the perfect moment to nail a victory. So dapat down sila by 20 para manalo. But I think we have to give credits first to the yung resilience sila led by Carl Anthony Towns.
Yeah,
Nagka nagka lineup changes nung start. I think Josh Hart started from the bench and yung finishing touches nga nila Jalen Brunson dun sa dulo, no. But that's it, guys. That's the opening, I think I would say sa game. Yung unang tumatak sa akin, yung unang mga gusto ko i-mention na this is the best series out of the two so far. At least for me, malayo. Malayo yung Eastern Conference Finals sa Western.
yeah, one of the best conference finals that I've seen in a long, long while. Like I cannot really think of another conference finals quickly na
Mm-mm.
masasabi ko na ganito ka-exciting because all the games are down the wire, even yung in game two when the Knicks attempted a comeback. But um, we have to give the biggest shout out to Karl Anthony Towns. Ano. We
Yes,
know this
sir.
guy is not the most respected person in the NBA, and he does not deserve the disrespect. Siguro because he's sassy, di ba? Na parang, oh my
Isa,
God, ganyan, after all that. But I mean,
a
after all that, literally, that guy carried the Knicks to the victory
walking meme
tonight.
yan. He's a walking meme, Graham.
Oh, di ba? But he was the one who led the Knicks to the victory tonight, despite battling foul troubles, di ba? Early in the game, he was battling with three fouls, four fouls, was able to contain it in the second half. Sila ni Bronson actually had five towards the end of the game. But 20 out of his 24 points in the fourth quarter coming from a variety of ways, diba?
Mm.
Attacking, three-point shots, in the post, taking it off the dribble, posterized dunks. So he really brought out everything in the bodega tonight or in that game si Carl Anthony Towns. And that's why that's why they traded uh Julius Randle and Dante DiVincenzo for Carl Anthony Towns, di ba? Because let's admit Julius Randle normally disappears in this point in the playoffs. I mean, hindi pa nga siya nakarating sa East Finals before. So Carl Anthony Towns, biggest shot on the game. Next one is Tom Thibodeau. The adjustment coming into game three na Cat is not comfortable playing the five the whole game. So, ginawa ni Tom Thibodeau, bigay natin gusto ni Cat. Let him play the four. Huwag natin siya kay Miles Turner. And then that worked. At least in the first quarter when it was close and then Indiana went away in the second. But that was gutsy. Sabi ni Stan Van Gundy doon sa coverage, you'll get criticized if you lose. So might as well take some risks, di ba? And Tom Thibodeau is known to sticking to one hell of a game plan all year long. Like hindi magbabago yan eh. That's why I'm really surprised that he made that change in game three, which kind of paid off because Kat was energized in the end. Meron pa siyang
Oh, bro.
energy.
Tama. I agree. Tapos you have to mention the detail na si Carl Anthony Towns only had 4 points entering
In
the fourth
the
quarter.
fourth. Uh,
So at first, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Parang first two games ni Kat are really forgettable. I think he had more fouls than points. Basta may parang something like that, or not fouls but or something. Basta he was
may
really
crazy stat, ano.
underperforming. He was
Uh,
really underperforming heading into game three. But came alive, ito yung injection na kailangan nila. I think when I was listening to the game a while ago when it was live, yung pre-game, I think opening line was New York has never won a playoff game in Indiana. They
that
are
is
0
correct.
for 9. So to
In
do
that
it
building.
in that building, in that
Uh,
building, no. So to do it down 20 in a crucial game 3 with all the momentum pointing towards Indiana is one of the reasons why na kahit sinong teams between New York or Indiana goes to the NBA Finals, I'll be happy. Because
yeah.
they have that same kind of DNA, di ba, Grem?
Oh,
Parehas yung, it's a just different bit of styles and more, and actually, ano din, gusto ko rin i-mention na nakakatuwa na Tom Thibodeau kind of stretch out his rotation.
Di ba? Di
May
ba nga?
Landry Shamet, may Delon Wright. Sabi ko, sino nagko-coach ba ngayon?
Di ba?
Hindi ko sabi ko, wait lang. Ano to, na-possess?
Di ba, no? Landry Shamet. I mean, a part of that was Brunson getting into foul trouble, especially in the third. But
Blessing in disguise. He can do that more. Like,
was
kaya
that
mo na
Dillon?
i-mix up
Was that
teams.
Dillon Wright? Dillon Wright?
Delon Wright din, di ba?
Yes,
Delon,
that is right.
Delon. Tama.
Actually, I don't know. Um, I don't know that Dillon Wright is with the Knicks.
You didn't,
So
you didn't know he was a Nick. Bro,
yes,
Delon Wright talaga. Yung tama ako.
I had to say because I know that name, di ba? That guy's bounced
Kaya alam mo,
uh,
pero nasan siyang
around the
team pag,
league.
pag pinag-guess ka?
Didn't
Hindi mo
know.
alam, di ba?
I didn't know na nasa New York Knicks na si Dillon Wright. So, yeah, that guy played for the Raptors, the Grizzlies, the Mavs, the Pistons, the Kings, the Hawks, back to the Wizards.
Journeyman talaga.
He boxed now Knicks. I didn't know na nandun siya. And si Cameron Payne nga, hindi yata ginamit, no? Ngayong
Oh,
game.
it
Which is
was
weird
Wright
kasi,
and Shamet. It was Wright and Shamet a while ago.
yeah, right, Shamit. And of course, McBride lagi naman niya nasa rotation.
Oh, yeah,
But,
si Deuce, yeah.
he was big in the fourth quarter. Si Deuce
Mm.
McBride hit a couple of baskets. But yeah, I mean, I think Tom Thibodeau after how many years? 14 years finally. I realized that pwede ko palang gamitin yung iba kong players. Kala
Oo
ko
nga,
yung
no? Parang,
kala ko yung core ko
oo
lang
nga,
na
no? Pwede ko pala gamitin to. Hindi lang pala
yeah,
5 mga players ko.
yeah, they're paid for a reason pala. Kala ko kasi 7 lang yung pwede kong gamitin. But it's a welcoming sight for New York na someone else or some people came into the game when it was still close. Kasi makikita mo na yun sa garbage time na lang eh, di ba? And I'm still not over Dylan Wright being a New York Knick. But you know, heading into game 4 where it will be the pressure is now in Indiana, di ba? Now you'll need
Back to
the
Indy.
other guys. You'll need the other guys to step up even more. Kasi we admit role players play better at home. So they tend to struggle on the road. This time they got buckets from McBride and Shamit. Do you expect that in game 4? I don't know. I hope so. But at least sabi nga natin na nabalasa ni Tibbs yung tao niya for this game specifically, and that's key. And he had to din eh. He's kind of forced to do that kasi nga 5 na yung foul ni Bronson in the four in the third. So kudos to him. And Jalen Bronson, one last thing.
Yes, go.
And you know I am the biggest LeBron fan you probably know.
Yes, you are. Ikaw yung president
Okay.
siguro ng LeBron Association sa
Cool.
Pilipinas.
Okay, just to make sure we're good on that. Now, I have
Just
never
wanna make sure you know.
I have never trusted anyone in the clutch more than Jalen Brunson. And
Captain Clutch.
over LeBron, like we expect him to make baskets in the fourth. Like who was the last player we thought of that? Kobe, probably. Parang
Oh,
bigay mo lang kay
alam mong
Kobe.
bibigay
Bigay mo kay Kobe. He'll
Actually,
make
Kobe
a way.
nga yung pinaka ganun. Kobe.
Diba,
Yung,
no? This guy just delivers, with the exception of game 2, where he break the 3-pointer. But overall in these playoffs, man, I'm telling you, Jalen Brunson is the top 3-point guard in the NBA. He has an argument for that. Out Steph, Luka, and then the slot is open, and Jalen Brunson could be that guy. So yeah, he hit the technically game winner when it was tied. He hit the game win, the go ahead bucket for the Knicks. Tough loss for Indiana, by the way. If you want to shift to the Pacers, up 20, all the momentum, di ba?
ship mo sa
On their
Pacers.
side.
They got a taste of their own medicine.
Oh, and like you mentioned, the game does not start until the Knicks are down 20. So when they're down 20, ito na yung New York na binalikan yung Boston ng paulit-ulit. So it's tough. They're both young teams. Sabi mo nga, no, match na match talaga sila. Parehas ng style. They're more comfortable pag naghahabol. And the series, the numbers, the standings still that were right on that.
Yeah, and actually, sa Pacers naman, no, I think Tyrese Haliburton kasi pati yung mga press con, pinapanood ko minsan.
Mhm.
pinapakinggan ko minsan, sabi talaga nagka-stagnation sa fourth quarter. I think we all acknowledge that one. He took accountability. Siyempre, siya yung one of not if not the face of the Pacers
Yes.
no? And naalala mo yung stat na sinabi ko sa'yo na when the Pacers are 10-2 when Halliburton shoots 18 plus field goal attempts.
Mhm. Yeah.
You only had
We
15
talked
today.
about it, di ba?
Oh, you only had 15 today.
15.
So,
Okay, 7 of
not
15.
yeah, not he. I think yun nga. I mean, they
Not
need a
far
more
from the number.
aggressive Halley.
Not far from the magic number. And he only had 7 assists. So you only had 15 points and you only had 7 assists. So hindi na balance nung assist number mo yung pagiging kind of passive mo. Two things. Number one about the Pacers, all of their starters were negatives on the floor. Hali was -1 and then Siakam was the worst -21. Obi Toppin +19. I didn't know that. And then how
I was
big
gonna mention
of
plus 9. Nakita mo ba to, Graham? Plus 19 si Obi
Oo nga, sabi ko,
Toppin.
what?
Labo,
Okay.
no?
Well,
Plus 19 siya.
kasi he was there when they
Yung
made the
run.
run na lumamang sila ng 20, di ba? May alley-oop pa sa kanya si Halliburton. But the thing that I want to go to, which is I think more important, is Aaron Nesmith went down.
Yeah, ankle injury kay
And
Smith nga.
this is alarming because coach uh he was the hero in game one, di ba? Si
Yeah.
Nesmith. So this will be big for Indiana if Neesmith is gonna play hurt. Now he went back in the game, and this is the playoffs, so hanggat kaya gagawin mo yan. But how healthy is Neesmith really in game 4? It's a
Pag
tough
walang
loss for
Naismith, bro,
Indiana.
if
Oh
walang
no,
Naismith, it's gonna be a
mm,
completely different series. It's gonna
oh,
completely turn for sure without him. Imagine mo yun, Aaron Naismith, sinasabihan natin na series changer, no? But he has
di ba?
proved that. I mean, na-prove naman niya eh.
And for the second straight series, if I think Neesmith will go, but
Oh.
for the second straight series, New York will be having an advantage when it comes to having a player on the opposite side be limited, if not out. Kasi si Tatum was completely out, diba? Neesmith, if he's limited, I don't know if he's gonna be that useful if he's limited. Um, because they really are counting on his shooting. So this will be tough for Indiana. I'm not making a big deal out of the injury for now. Wala pa kasi akong nakikitang reports. Tsaka nakabalik siya, which is the great thing. The downside is every other day yung laro. Like walang pahingahan doon dalawang team nito. So that will be the difficult task for Indiana.
And Graham, would you say, how do we see, since na-discuss na rin natin no, yung everything that happened today, how do you see game 4 happening? I feel the Pacers will make it 3-1. Or do you think New York will secure game 4?
Um, I'm sticking with Knicks in 7. Okay.
Stick ka pa rin sa Knicks and 7. So yeah,
Yeah,
ano kailangan
I'll
magano?
stick with the Knicks in 7. No, it doesn't necessarily have to be. It's just going to
Pwede
be
mag 3-1
difficult
tapos
if the
hahabulin.
Pacers. Oh, because you know what? I'll go with the Knicks because they're really good on the road. They've only lost uh they've only lost one game on the road this in these playoffs. Game 5 against Boston. So I'm gonna go with the Knicks in another close match. I think ma-iron nila yung foul trouble ni Brunson and ni Kat. They're gonna make sure to watch films. See kung saan sila nagkulang. Kat had 2, 3 unnecessary fouls that he committed in the first half. He could have avoided those. Bronson too. So I'm going with the Knicks. But even if the Pacers go up 3-1, I'll still stick with the Knicks in 7 prediction. Kasi I still think that they're the better team. They just lost game 1, which was the soccer. They could have easily been up 2-1 in this series. Game 2 was really Indiana's. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
twist
that
it
was
any
really
other way.
Indiana's
Oh,
no. Game
the
2
the
was
Knicks
just
made a
really
comeback
mm,
when down the stretch, Indiana proved to be the better team. So easily could have been next to 1, but here we are down 1-2. I'm gonna go with them in game 4 because I think that they're a better road team than the Pacers are a home team. Ang nakakatawa dito sa series na to, yung home court disadvantage, no?
Disadvantage
The
yun sa Eastern
home team,
Conference Finals.
the home
Actually, sa
team
Eastern
has always,
Conference, ang gulo-gulo.
oh, no? Which is crazy kasi heading into the playoffs, parang wild, wild west, di ba? Parang gulo, di
Oh,
ba? We have the Lakers, we have the Warriors, and all teams in between. Pero hindi, OKC pa rin yung pumasok. And then surprise Minnesota. Dito sa East, dito sa East yung magulo eh, di ba? Parang inasa natin Boston, and then Cleveland probably.
wala
It's
na.
probably set in stone,
Dropped in
di ba?
round 2. Yeah, round
The
2.
Knicks, di ba?
Natanggal sila.
Parang you're a round two team kasi Boston yung nakatapat mo. But no, hell no. Um, so I'm expecting the Knicks to win in game 4. I don't feel confident about it, but just because I picked the Knicks and I saw what they're made of. Mahirap yun Down 20 in a hostile environment
Mm.
with technically your game 7, di ba? You made and also shout out bro to Mitchell Robinson and Mikal Bridges. Yung depensa ng dalawang yun talagang
Kaya sila nakabol second half. It's really the
suffocating.
defense to those two guys.
Grabe yung depensa ng dalawang yun talaga. Sobrang sobra. I'm out of alam mo si Mitchell Robinson before we end when he switches to a guard parang wala lang no.
Hindi siya ano eh.
Basta-basta
Haba rin
nalulusutan.
kasi at ang quick foot.
Ang
Ano siya?
haba niya. Oo, parang that guy if that guy played in the 60s he's Will Chamberlain.
Actually, pwede, no?
Di ba no?
2060.
He's di ba?
Siya yung katapat ni Wilt.
Mahina sa free throw but a monster in everything else. Probably not the 100 women that Wilt Chamberlain slept with, but
Maybe 50
yun.
women. Maybe 50 for
especially
Mitch.
in New York. Especially
In New York.
But yeah, shout out to those two guys. I really love good defensive players and they're really a joy to watch.
Same. Guys, don't forget to follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico here with Graham. We'll try to do a Minnesota and OKC reaction tomorrow.
Pag hindi
Depende
ko
sa
renta yung lamang. Pag hindi ko renta, kasi pag ko renta, ano pag-uusapan natin, di ba?
Minessage ba kita for game 3?
You're in
Either
B-League
attempt.
din di ba? You're in B-League, pero kasi, ano
Di
pag-uusapan
wala,
natin
message si
yun, di ba?
Graham.
40, no? That
Pagod na
was
buong araw,
surprising.
pag-uusapan pa.
That one, I think OKC will bounce back and go
Let's
3-1.
see.
We'll see
Tingnan din
about that.
bukas. Basta close lang. Basta
we'll
close
talk
at may
if not,
makahabol.
if not,
Pag-uusapan namin
then
yan.
see you around.
Adios amigos pagka.
Yeah.
Anyway, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Peace.
All right, adios amigos.